So let's add in some batteries. I'm going to open my level 1 scene again. And probably what I need to do is move my robot back to the beginning. Put my robot there. That's great. And then, again, oh yeah, we do. We have a folder for collectibles. So with that selected, let's instance in our first battery. And again, it appears there, so I need to hold Alt while I click and drag. And I think I'll put my first one up here just to sort of encourage the player to go in the right direction. Let's see if that works. Yeah. Did it increase my life? Let's do it again. Going to lose a bit of life. Go under there a bit. Let's just check. Oh, yes, it did. So that's good. Stop that. All right, so let's duplicate it. Let's put another one on top of this platform here. Let's duplicate that one and have it down here. So you've got to dodge that and you've got to dodge that. Let's duplicate that one. Have it in the middle there. And maybe duplicate that one and have it by quite a lot of batteries. Do you think I'm putting too many batteries in? I'm not sure. We definitely need some down here. So duplicate that one. Drag it down here. Put it in the middle there. That looks good. So you've got to catch the batteries, squash the robots, and all the time avoid these soaring platforms. Duplicate that one. Put it, I think I might put it there above the detonator, just to encourage the player to jump on the detonator. Duplicate that one. Put it up there, maybe? In the middle. You've got to jump between the platforms to get it. And duplicate that one. And put it there. All right, that done, I should be able to complete the level now. So let's give it a test. So let's test. Squash that one. Get my battery. Get this battery. Squash that robot. Get this battery. Get that one. Land on top of that one. Collect that battery. So I'm on more than 100% life. But I think I might need it. Oh, look, you can't go back that way. You have got to. You've got to deal with that robot. And then go back over the top. So I did not know that. Right, down here. Get that one. Get that one. Wait for this one. Charge my life up. This is proving quite a difficult one. Up here. Get some more life. Squash that one. One left. There we go. And the level is complete. Good work. So what we've got left to do now is simply, I'm going to tidy up this level a bit more by painting in more tiles so that the camera doesn't see any sky underneath the ground. Okay, that's just my choice. And the other thing I have to do is change the camera itself so that it doesn't go past the leftmost extreme of the end of the stage. So that's only 2 quite small things. And then what have we got left to complete our project? We've got to add music, and we've got to do a welcome screen, a you died screen, or a you won screen, so a bit of user interface work. And then that is pretty much it. So we're near the end now. Let's crack on.